Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 296 of me making a cure for social media brain rot, for overconsumption, overstimulation, and an overload of information that has been bogging you down probably for the last however many years. I'm trying to fix that. I'm trying to fix it with a phone app. It's kind of ironic, but I've been working on it for about 11 months now. We're approaching a full year. It's actually probably been a year since I came up with the idea. Um, but yeah, I'm going to show you today how it's been going, what I've been working on, and the things that have not been going so great as of lately. So, first things first, the app. It's called Curiosity Quench. It is live. It's been live for about 5 months. It started off as a web app on my website. That went okay, but I realized that if people want to get off their phones, they're going to need to use their phone, and the website just wasn't it. So I made it a mobile app. I learned how to do mobile development, and we have an app live on the App Store now. And just to give you some background, the first month I made a few $100s. Second month I made about 1,000, and since then it's been averaging about $1,000 to $3,000 a month in actually making money. Even though it is, yes, a free app to use it, but there is premium features. So I'll tell you now. There's premium features. If you want to not be farmed on your phone and you want to just pay for them, you can. But you can also use the app for free and it will work great. Okay. So, how do you use the app? Basically, you're going to come here and you're going to scroll. You're going to find something you're interested in. And because you're interested in the things that you are adding to your list by clicking this bookmark icon, the chances of you actually doing these things go up significantly. If you are learning about something in school, like, I don't know, let's just say it's English, let's just say it's math, but you're not interested in these topics, you don't know how they pertain to you, you don't know how you're going to use them later, well, chances are you're not going to pay much attention, you're not going to enjoy the straining process of learning. But learning can be fun, even though it is always going to be a bit straining, there's a challenge there to learn. You have to use your brain, you have to exert some mental effort. But if you enjoy the thing and you swipe right on Curiosity Quench, you can get a plan for that thing. And because you enjoy it, and because you have a plan now, the chances of you doing up this thing just went up 10x. Before you downloaded Curiosity Quench, you were kind of, you didn't know what you liked. You didn't know. So you scroll on Instagram and it feels good. But now you can get something that you like, and anytime you have that's boredom filled, or just time you want to do something else, and you want to make it intentional instead of mindless, you can come here, you can find something you're interested in, and you can discover what you actually want to do. I know you might not have something that you enjoy right now, but the way to find it is not just through thinking about it, but actually trying it yourself, experimenting and doing it. And this way, you can do that. Not only can you watch content for each step, but you can actually follow the plan and check off and make progress as you're consuming this content, as you're doing the thing. And as a result, once you complete all the steps, you can celebrate your win because you have just quenched it. Meaning you've taken action, you've actually done something, and it feels really good. And maybe you didn't like that thing, you can try something else. But now you have a basis for what you do and don't like, and you can proceed forward with a lot more certainty of what you enjoy. And you'll realize that doing the things you enjoy is actually a lot more fun than whatever's on your glass rectangle at any moment. But what have I been working on lately? Well, as you just saw, there's curated content for the steps, but not all plans have curated content. Some of them are AI generated, and these plans are always different. Now, I am working and I have almost got this complete. I've said this for the last like week of having each step basically have curated content for every single plan. There's over 1,000 different topics. So that is a bit of a manual thing. It takes a while, and I have it kind of complete, but now I just need to insert all of the curated content manually and cross-reference to make sure everything is actually helpful. So that's going to take some time, but I'm working on it, chipping away. And in the meantime, these plans still are effective, and if you get stuck, you can click this helping hand icon to actually help you do the plan as well. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now for Curiosity Quench. Another thing is, the other day we had 700 people download the app, but about 20, I think 23 people started a trial for the premium version, and the rest, a lot of them didn't even make it really into the app to make the first plan. And I think a lot of that is because it is confusing So I've been also working on making this section before we log in a bit more effective. So this is an explanation on how Curiosity Quench works. No one has to read it, but it's basically a really in-depth explanation on how we have a problem and it's not our fault, but we can control this problem, and Curiosity Quench can help you do that. And on top of that, I've added this. This is basically a mini tutorial, a YouTube video linked for everything, anything you need to know about Curiosity Quench and how it works. You can watch in 60 seconds this video, and you will know it all, and you can start conquering and doing your plans immediately. So that's the gist of it. That is what I've been working on, and honestly, I just want to make it so people do get into the app, they aren't really confused. And I think a lot of that has to do with my general user interface and how it's not perfect at the moment. It's come a long way. Trust me, the old version, oh my gosh, you don't want to see that because I designed it and it was bad. But the old version was pretty bad, and now I'm just working on making it better every day. There's a long road ahead, but I do think that ultimately this app can be something that helps a lot of people. It has helped a lot of people already, and that's kind of it for day 295. This was a 6-minute video. Probably could have been like 4, but I appreciate you guys for coming and watching these videos. Yeah, really, I do want to make Curiosity Bunch better, help more people, and as a result, I know that that will bring in more money as a business. But it's weird striking the balance of a business and something that helps people is that it kind of almost want to give everything away for free, but then it's not sustainable. The app won't survive. And in general, I think having incentive to make things that are worth paying for is actually a good one. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep making Curiosity Quench better. I'm going to help a lot more people. And also, I'm going to work on more content to get the word out. But yeah, that's what's been going on so far. I will see you guys. I will see you guys next time. That's it for today. I love you. Take care. Check out the links down below. Go try Curiosity Quench if you want. And let's get rid of our social media addictions together. All right. Peace.